Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about different types of vehicles and transportation. Police car.
Police car.
Here comes the police car. Look, it has flashing lights, and it helps keep us safe. Motorbike.
Motorbike.
Next is the motorbike. It is fast and great for getting around in traffic. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Now, let us see the bicycle. It is fun to ride and good for exercise too. Fire truck.
Fire truck.
Here comes the fire truck. It rushes to put out fires and save the day. Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Look, it is the ambulance. It hurries to help people who are sick or hurt. Taxi.
Taxi.
Next is the taxi. You can take a taxi to go places if you do not have a car. Car.
Car.
Here is the car. It is great for traveling long distances with your family. Plane.
Plane.
Now let us look up at the plane. It flies high in the sky to take people far away. Train.
Train.
Here comes the train. It travels on tracks and carries lots of passengers. Bus.
Bus.
Next is the bus. You can take the bus to school or to visit different places. Truck.
Truck.
Look at the truck. It is big and strong, carrying heavy things around town. Excavator.
Excavator.
Here is the excavator. It digs and moves dirt to build new roads and buildings. Pickup truck.
Pickup truck.
Here is the pickup truck. It is good for carrying things in its open back. Boat.
Boat.
Now let us look at the boat. It floats on water and takes people fishing or sailing. Thank you for joining us to explore these vehicles today. See you next time for more fun learning. Goodbye.